Hello! It is July 17th, which means it is Camila's birthday. And because Camila always goes out of her way to make such awesome birthday videos for everybody else, we decided to make an awesome birthday video for Camila. And so we will move on into doing that. Awesome video making begins now.
Hello. I would like to say that I love Camila because she is nice and considerate, and she's very nice to us, and she's very patient with us when we have to stay over her house. So yes, happy birthday, Camila.
And we have, okay, and we have Nubia.
I like Camila because he's afraid of mommy. So that means we got to the pool last night and Dad was there. And I think I saw Hapua. Happy birthday, Camila.
Very good, very good. And Fasha.
I am the most tolerant of Camila because she's sweet and she thinks about other people before she acts. Happy birthday, Camila.
And last, but certainly most, if she can find a camera person. Oh, you didn't go? Okay.
Camila is the best sister, and I love Camila because how all the things she does is very nice, and she doesn't yell at anything in Nubia, and we like that. And Camila is very nice to other people when she asks people about what they do. And she works good, but sometimes she'll have to be at doing something. Like talking. She'll be at one day, and now that is finished, I would allow Camila to have a good day. So happy birthday, Camila. Have a good day.
Okay. And now, we can get the camera situated properly, not too close but not too far. I love Camila because she is beautiful, she is considerate, she is strong and powerful and revolutionary. And she does not allow obstacles to keep her from fulfilling her destiny. So she is everything that I named her to be. Camila, the perfect one. Happy birthday, Camila. Thank you so much for being born. Thank you so much for deciding to stay and for honoring my life with your presence. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.